Okay everyone, let us see questions from exercise 5.8 NCERT textbook. It is exercise 5.8. We can see the questions based upon Rawls theorem and mean value theorem. See question number 1 is just based upon Rawls theorem. Verify Rawls theorem for the function f of x is equal to x square plus 2x minus 8. It is given. According to question, f of x is equal to x square plus 2x minus 8, where x belongs to closed interval minus 4 to. So interval is given here, you can see. Interval is given here, and then we need to find out. So first of all, differentiate it. Differentiating with respect to x, what you will get? F dash x is equal to 2x plus 2 minus 0. Now see, as I have told you, we have to let that C is a point in the open interval minus 4 to 2 such that f dash C is equal to 0 to verify Rawls theorem. So to write to verify Rawls theorem, let C belongs to open interval minus 4 to 2 such that f dash C is equal to 0. What will be f dash C? Just replace x by C. It will be 2c plus 2 is equal to 0. Find the value of C. 2c is equal to minus 2. So can I say C is equal to minus 2 by 2, that is 1. So C is equal to minus 1. Now you can easily see minus 1 is lying between minus 4 and 2. So can I say it belongs to open interval minus 4 to 2. Because minus 4, then minus 3, then minus 2, then minus 1, then 0, then 1, then 2. So can I easily understand? Can you understand easily that between minus 4 and 2, minus 1 lies? So since hence Rawls theorem is verified. Rawls theorem is verified. Means we have to just suppose that C is a point between the open interval minus 4 to 2. So C is a value of x which represents the x coordinate. And now after that we will show that which we have assumed actually it belongs to the same open interval by using the Rawls theorem statement. This is the way to prove about Rawls theorem. And next is mean value theorem. Now see question number 4 everyone. From the same exercise, question number 4. Function is given as f of x is equal to x square minus 4x minus 3. You can see the function of x is given as x square minus 4x minus 3 in the interval AB where a is equal to 1, b is equal to 4. So we can write here x belongs to closed interval 1, 4. We can write it x square minus 4x minus 3 and x belongs to the closed interval 1 and 4. Now see, just differentiate it. Differentiating both sides with respect to x, we write f dash x is equal to 2x minus 4 minus 0. Now we have to verify here mean value theorem. So you have to write to verify. See, to verify mean value theorem we need f of 1 and f of 4. So let us find out first. Here f of 1, I am writing f of 1, not f dash 1. F of 1 is equal to 1 square minus 4 into 1 minus 3. That is minus 4 minus 3 minus 7 plus 1 minus 6. Then f of 4, it is equal to 4 square minus 4 into 4 minus 3. So we can easily see this 4 16, 16 cancelled, minus 3 is left. Now you can start with the mean value theorem. To verify mean value theorem, let C belongs to open interval 1 to 4. We can assume that C is a particular value of x which belongs to the open interval 1 to 4, which it lies between 1 and 4. It may be a fraction, it may be but it should be a rational number or irrational number lying between 1 and 4. It should be a real number. Such that we have to write here such that f dash c is equal to f here fb minus fa by b minus a. I have told you earlier, this is working as a, this is working as b. So fb minus fa by b minus a. So you can easily replace the value. F dash c is here. F dash x is 2x minus 4. So f dash c will be 2c minus 4. So in place of x, I have to write c. So 2c minus 4 is equal to, now what will be f4? f4 means 2c minus 4 is equal to, now f of 4 I have found already, f of 4 is minus 3, minus f of 1 is minus 6, I can put here minus 6, by 4 minus 1 is 3. So can I multiply 3 with this? So it will be, or let us see the result, it can be cancelled easily. 2c minus 4 is equal to, now minus minus plus 6, so 6 minus 3 is 3. You can easily see, minus minus plus 6, 6 minus 3 is 3, 3 gets cancelled. So it is 2c is equal to 4 plus 1. So I can write c is equal to 4 plus 1 is 5 by 2. Now you can easily see 5 by 2 lies between 1 and 4 in the open interval. Why? Because 5 by 2 is 2.5 in decimals. So 2.5 is lying between 1 and 4. So I can write here, since c is equal to 5 by 2 belongs to open interval 1 to 4. Therefore, mean value theorem is verified. Mean value theorem is verified. So everyone, first of all we have to let c in the open interval. C is a particular value of x in the open interval 1 to 4 or a to b. Then we have to take the condition of the mean value theorem, f dash c is equal to fb minus fa by b minus a. After that we have to find the value of c and we have to show that the c which we have found is actually belonging to the same interval which we have already taken as an assumption, and it is proved. So that's why mean value theorem is verified. This is the method to prove mean value theorem and Ross theorem. Some more questions you are having in the exercise. So I suggest everyone to solve all the rest questions, and wherever you are having doubt, you are most welcome to ask the questions. I suggest everyone to do each and every question of the miscellaneous exercise also of NCERT textbook. Along with that, you must solve NCERT exemplar book, which plays vital role in the board examinations also. Thank you everyone.